The Hilti Jaibot, it's a semi-autonomous drilling robot being designed by Hilti to allow for safer installation or drilling of those anchors overhead. The way we're utilising it on this project is to install or to drill all our anchors that need to go in for the seismic restraint. 10,000, 20,000 odd holes that need to be drilled across the site.
The health and safety is that we've only got one man and he's on the ground. He doesn't have to be in a scissor lift. He has a vacuum on the Jaibot, which is stopping the dust from coming down, so it's a dust-free environment for him to work in. And we haven't got the wear and tear on the worker that we would do if we were drilling it by hand.
It's safer because it reduces the amount of people on site. It reduces workers working at height and less time on site as well, so less time to get harmed.
We did go through the process of looking at different equipment the guys could do if they were doing it by hand and that, but it was also become very apparent early on that the health and safety of the guys, the wear and tear was just going to be too much, and that we were going to have problems with people with back injuries and arm injuries and shoulder injuries and stuff like that.
Looking at it the way, these anchors would have been drilled in the past, a worker would have been working from a drawing and a tape measure and, measuring out, drilling those holes. So a lot more time, the human error involved in that is probably a lot higher. Here we have a robot utilising a fully coordinated model to drill those. So yeah, that human error is out. And I guess fatigue as well, a human will get fatigue around, doing all this, which will then introduce more error and possible safety issues and tiredness and working at height. So doing all of this should improve that accuracy.
It's gone from like 10 men to one man, and he's on the floor, he's safe. His wear and tear is 2% versus 10 guys doing it by hand.
I guess in regards to accuracy and rework and utilising the Jaibot, we're going through that process at the moment. We're early stages. One thing that we do know is that we have faith that the BIM process that we've been through, that accuracy is there. So, all the hard work that's gone on to the modelling and that coordination by all involved. So yeah, watch this space really. I think it's going to be a true testament to what we've done, true testament to the likes of guys from data engineering having faith in the Jaibot and yeah, the hard work from the team.